Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm taking a warm brown shade and I'm putting that in my crease. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay by Smiley Naked Mini eyeshadow palette, and this is in Chill Happy. And I'm going to take the 3 shades that I'm going to point to and put those all on my lids and put those right next to each other. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted on my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel and it helps with my content being shown. Next, I'm using the Covergirl Get In Line Liquid Eyeliner in Black Vinyl. Now I'm using the Ioni Wispy Full Curl Long Lashes, and I'm using the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm using the Sephora Eye Pencil and the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. To keep my makeup matte, to keep my face from getting oily, I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in Medium Deep. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this in the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm. I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While the concealer is setting, I'm using the Beauty Bay bronzer in Chestnut to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun to set where I had that concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take that shade and use that for my blush. And I'm going to take the other shade and use that to highlight. For lips, I'm using the Covergirl Outlast All Day Lip Color in Plum Berry. And this has 2 steps. You use the lip color and then use the top coat to seal the color in. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this makeup look that I did. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because, as I mentioned before, it helps my channel and helps my content being shown. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. And I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.